As a SIEM, it provides more comprehensive information. I have implemented a lot of policies, technologies to improve the operational resilience and cybersecurity developments in the organization where we can combat any kind of unpredictable threats. This improves even the trust in the customers. Now we have huge number of cybersecurity technology stacks. And when it comes to MDR, we only transferring the data that is critical infra. But what if we have a consolidated platform and one single pane where we understand what exactly the threat is associated in the organization and the risk that is not visible to the human, right? And these all information, when we keep in one console, we can go and eliminate that risk in the organization. Every time we have to log in each and every console and go and grab some information. This manual analysis is really killing our human analyst time. In this situation, how I can provide the ROI of each and every product? Unless I have a single frame of the console where we can derive the data and where we can develop that frameworks that resiliency has been improved. Today, the AI-related landscape is improving. And this landscape, when I say our manufacturing companies are expecting to have some forecast mechanism in the production systems, right? On these production systems, they are looking into keeping some agentic AI. Elastic One, as a SIEM, it provides more comprehensive information. It can go and fetch the information from all the sources. But main interesting point is retrieval engine. The other solutions doesn't have such kind of a retrieval engine. Today, if you see that I have an insider threat and I want to see what happened for this user for past 6 months. Is it possible some other SIEM solutions to fetch me in minutes? So when I'm able to provide such kind of results to the management, then it is a true investment. The Elastic can do the better.